ज्यो इंडस्ट्रीज आसात तांकां कितें समस्या आसा हे सगळें जाणा जाणून घेवपाक आमी आयज पिलेन इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट हांगासर येयल्या.
My industry requires about 50,000 liters of water per day. We get from IDC hardly about between 5 and 7,000 liters.
In 30 years, we have purchased 35 lakhs worth of water.
चौगम रोड पर्यंत बरो आसा पण थंयच्यान जो पळय लास्ट मायल कनेक्टिविटी आसा तो एक पासिंग थ्रू व्हेरी नॅरो विलेज.
I would say that if we had the ideal infrastructure, we would have been way ahead.
भायर जेन्ना रस्ते बरे आशिल्ले ताजेर परत हॉट मिक्सिंग चलता आनी इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटीन हॉट मिक्सिंग करपाक कोणाच कडेन पयसो ना.
As a small scale industrialist, I want only three things: good road, good water, and good power.
I would never think of ever being anywhere else other than Goa. It is heaven on earth. It is paradise, but it's not an industrial paradise.